we're back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape, where we turn outdoor landscape dreams into a reality. And I want you to check out this beautiful custom paver patio that we just finished for the customer. We went with the Trimron Stonehurst Sierra blend, but it definitely said that we've given this customer over 300 square feet of outdoor living experience and allowed for them to be able to take an area that was once only a 12 by 12 and extremely cluttered and add this existing 300 square feet so that they can be able to entertain friends and family. Now, this is just some of the stuff that we do on a consistent basis in order to help our customers and provide them with an outdoor landscape solution that's going to last a lifetime. And that's right, folks, I do mean a lifetime. We're not that company that comes in and does a job and then have to come back out and do it again and again and again. That's just not us. We're going to provide you with a landscape design that absolutely lasts a lifetime. Some of those things even going over and beyond and giving you more than that of what's expected. But as you can see with this beautiful custom design where we went with the herringbone pattern on these beautiful Stonehurst pavers, has given this customer so much more value on their landscape, and it's allowed for them to be able to utilize this space in an unprecedented way. Before, they had a lot of moss and a lot of muddiness in this area that always kind of stayed a little bit wet because it didn't get a lot of sunlight. Now they're going to be able to be even more impacted by being able to utilize this space and take full advantage of it. But these are just some of the things that we do consistently right here at Brooks Landscaping, and it also helps you understand why we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we're focused on giving our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what's expected. Now, if you're in the Bentwater, Seven Hills area, as you can see, that's where we're at. It says that if you're dealing with an area that currently you have an existing concrete slab on and you're looking to deal with an area that has a lot of erosion, well, I tell you what, we have a perfect design, and that's our beautiful design of our custom pavers. This is a 3-piece Trimron custom paver brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping. And we even went a little bit over and beyond for this customer by giving them an area that also was having a hard time growing grass and making it into this aggregate, now never having to worry about anything that comes out of the gutter downspouts, but then also being able to have an area that always is going to be able to be occupied. They've already decided to put their tiki torches and things in this area, but it does give you guys an opportunity to see the quality and the design that we come up with each and every time right here at Brooks Landscaping, and one of the reasons why we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around. Now, I want to take you to the backyard so that you can see how we're able to work with you as a client, even when it comes down to your DIY projects. And so the customer had in mind some of the plants that they want. They had no idea of what type of design that they want, so we came up with a beautiful design that allowed for them to be able to encompass this entire landscape with our 2-man boulders. So as you can see, we got 2-man boulders on both sides of this landscape. But in addition, we also came back with the Encore azaleas along with the golden mop heads and even the purple Lord petalums. And then the customer picked out those beautiful emerald green arborvitaes. Now, in addition, anytime you do landscaping, you want to make sure you're doing so in a way that allows for you to be doing so in a layered effect. And so that layered effect that we've been able to provide for the customer says that we got the beautiful daylilies in the front. We even have a lavender right on the backdrop, and then the way in which we stagger all of our planting says that nothing's going to grow in front of each other. And so these are just some of the things that you want to work with when you're going with the professional, is that they're able to come up with a design that allows you to keep a lot of your own thought process in mind. And so this is something that I came up with for the customer that allowed them to be able to have a backyard zen oasis, is what we're calling it, that they can come out here and easily occupy, take on some of the landscape, begin to add some of those things to the landscape that they like. But it definitely says that from afar, it's now become a lot more pleasant for them to be able to look at this area. And if you check out our before videos, go to www.brookslandscaping.tv. You can see over 300 videos of jobs that we've been able to do, including the before video for this job. Now, if you're looking for a quote and you're in the Bentwater, Seven Hills area, Paulding County in specific, well, guess what, guys? You don't have to look far. So are we. All you have to do is click the link below or go to www.quotemylandscape.com. Once again, that's www.quotemylandscape.com. We'll be able to provide you with a free quote that allows you to be able to have an opportunity to have this magnificent landscape design be done for you as well, and also have to take away all the worry that maybe you had in regards to how you're going to get it done. So that's all being brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscape. And I wanted you to get one more last look at this beautiful custom paver patio that we put in. It's giving this customer so much more value to their home. It's also giving them the ability to be able to utilize this space as an outdoor entertainment. And then most importantly, what we always like to say is that it's added provided that value back to their home, and that it's now going to be a dedicated outdoor entertainment space. If ever you went to sell this, they would have immediately been able to find what they would do with it, as the purchase of the homeowner would have been able to see that this is an outdoor entertainment area. And so these are just some of the ways that we're helping our clients be able to add value to their home right here in the Bentwater, Seven Hills area, Paulding County in specific, which is where we're located. And we're dealing with landscape drainage, we're dealing with outdoor landscape transformations, and we're providing customers with a solution that lasts a lifetime. All brought to you, as I said, by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.